high. Girl, you just caught my eye. Thought I should give it a try and get your name and your number. Go get some lunch and eat some cucumbers. Why did I say that? I don't know why. But you're smiling, that is something I like on your face. Yeah, it suits you. Girl, we connect like we have Bluetooth. I don't know why I'm drawn to you. With you, baby, I don't want so we equal to. And this is a based on a lucky chance that you would rather add and subtract. You and I could be like the sunny and shade, honey and basil. And you and I could be like Aladdin and Jasmine. Let's make it happen like la 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 la. Have you been? I know that it's been a while. Hello, bye bye.